With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So here we have the question, and the question says that the following types of cell are constantly replaced by new cells formed as the result of mitosis. Okay. So the options are upper layer of the epidermis, cells of the lining of gut, then here we have the blood cells and all. So first of all, if we see here, we know that mitosis is a process of cell division. This is a process of cell division. And in this process, we can say that from one parent cell, there is a formation of two daughter cells. One parent cell gives out two daughter cells after the division. Clear? Now, we know that the wound heal up by a cell is due to this mitotic cell division. Now, this cell division helps to heal the wound. Not only that, it helps in the growth of the organism. It helps to maintain the nucleocytoplasmic ratio. Cytoplasmic ratio. Okay. Now the organs that it heals are basically the skin. That is, we can say that the upper layer of the epidermis. Upper layer of epidermis. Clear? So this is the first point. So this will be the correct answer. Next, we know that it heals the gut or the digestive tract. Okay. So digestive tract means we can say that the cell lining of the gut. Cell lining of the gut. Clear? Hence, we can say that this is also a correct answer. Next, here we have the blood cells like RBC, etc. Blood cells. All these are renewed by the, or healed by the, or replaced by the cell division that is known as the mitosis. So all is the only correct answer. Hope this answer helps you. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.